Hello. I have this hat on because I don't want you to see it because I've already done it. It's a cute hat though. Anyway, welcome to my video. I'm Juliana. Today I will be dyeing my hair another color, of course, as always. I decided to be a little bit more adventurous this time and try to go for a coral pinky color. I've never been a pink girl, but we made an attempt. This is kind of cute, honestly. Anyway, no, let's get on with it. Hello dear, welcome back. Honestly, you're probably a little bored of these videos now, but you know, a girl's hair keeps washing out because she keeps choosing pastel colors, and I'm gonna stop talking about myself in the third person now. Anyway, I was going for a coral color, as you could tell here, because I'm a little wary about the pink, and every time I go to buy blush from Sephora or Ulta or wherever, doesn't really matter, okay, I always get one that has a little bit of orange in it because it goes well with my skin tone. Sorry about the color grading in this shot, by the way. This was recorded at nighttime, and so I edited the color a little bit, so I think the pink that I'm putting in my hair looks the right color, but now my face looks kind of pink. Anyway, regardless, disregard that. Okay, moving on. So yeah, ended up mixing my own coral color just by combining Electric Paradise by Arctic Fox, which is like a bright neon pink hair dye, and Cosmic Sunshine, which is like a super bright yellow. And I literally put like the tiniest drop of yellow in there because that yellow is potent. And then I diluted it like a super duper ton. Oh, look at that. Those are my roots. Do you guys remember when I ruined my hair? I'll link the video in the cards. My roots got lighter from doing that. Everything's a mess. Anyway, moving on. I didn't have a ton of pink dye, so I also didn't want my hair to be neon, so I diluted it a heck ton with a bunch of conditioner, but I also was running out of conditioner. So what happened is I mixed an amount of hair dye that I really knew wouldn't be enough hair dye, but I wanted to make sure that initial color that I mixed that I felt was the right color was going on the parts of my hair that you'll see the most. So instead of applying to the back of my head first like I normally do, I applied to the front of my head. Wow, changing it up a bit. Makes for better filming angles, I suppose. But indeedy-do, I ran out once I finished those front sections and had to mix a whole bunch more, and subsequently ran out of conditioner and had to cut the conditioner bottle in half to get all that I could out of the thingamabobber. So yeah, the pieces at the back ended up sort of not really coated. Okay, hello. So it actually looks more coral in the camera. I'm trying to get in focus. Okay, so this strand I washed out because it was too saturated, and I dried it, and it's looking nice. We'll see how the whole head looks. We're gonna rinse it out now. I think it's gonna be very pink. Oh dear. Enjoy this footage of me failing to actually get you an angle from which you can see what's happening. So here's me washing out my hair. It's not too interesting. But even as I record this voiceover, only maybe tops a week later, it's kind of tragic because I knew at the time of coloring my hair that the color would wash out really, really quickly, and indeedy-do, that's the second time I've said that in this video, but indeedy-do, my hair is already so faded, which is such a shame because it actually turned out looking very pretty. Also, here's me brushing my hair because I think it looks really cool with the roots. She's definitely more pink than coral, but she's cool. Okay. I love it so much. Here's the deal. It came out more pink than I thought it would, but I'm not mad at all. Like, I thought that pink hair would look bad on me, which is why I haven't gone for pink, but it's so cute. I'm like obsessed with it. I get it. I understand. It's so cute. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell me what color I should do with my hair next, and I will see you next time. Bye. I did not like that. Bye.